In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find profitable niche for Amazon affiliate marketing and free ways to promote Amazon affiliate link, guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Amazon affiliate program where you can earn money by promoting Amazon affiliate products, or basically Amazon product, and you can earn commission for that. So I'm going to walk you through how you can pick a niche and the ways to promote it the way I am doing it, using all completely free tools. So watch the video until the end to learn fully. And also, if you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment, and if you want me to make a video on certain topic. So what is Amazon affiliate program? Basically, Amazon has its own affiliate program. You can go here and join with Amazon affiliate program for free, and there's you can join. I'm living in the UK, so I'm joined with .co.uk, .com India. You can join with I think if you are not from any part of the country, you can join with Amazon.com, but I'm not sure, but Amazon is there for major countries, so you can join with Amazon affiliate program for free, and you can promote their product. Whenever customer click the link and bought the product, you can earn commission. Different niches, different category of the product pay you different amount of money. For example, I think jewelry and those product pay you higher commission than books on toys, but it's depend on different category, guys. Again, this is one of the way to build up a best passive income method. Every single month you earn passive income once you set it up. The hardest part is finding the niche and creating contents and promoting it and getting traffic. So I'm going to walk you through the entire step in this video. So when you go to amazon.co.uk or .com or .in, whatever, and you're going to have to click this one called best seller, and it will automatically take to this page. Here, these are the categories are organized in this pattern. So when it comes to picking a niche and promoting a niche, I'm looking for three things. First, when I come to picking a niche, I look for my interest on that topic. For example, I have interest in health and fitness and computer, so I can pick one of those niche to promote. Second, when I come to promoting that, I look for the long tail keywords of that product, and third, giving value for the product instead of doing review. So I will explain how that and why is that important. So first, when you're gonna do, you have to pick a niche from this category. Here I want to go with sports and outdoor, and it will take to this page here, and you can see they rank number 1 to I think it's 100 of the product here. These ones are the best selling product on sports and outdoor here. So which mean you can see they are hanging on Google and Amazon, that you can they are in the top 100 product here, which means these products are selling every single day throughout the month, guys. So here you can find a product that you want to promote. Here you can see one of the products are some of the products repeating again and again, so I'm going with this product called skipping, that you can see I open on here, and when I promote this product I earn commission for that. You can see I have a good review and it's under 100, which means it's selling every single day. So you can find this when you find the product, you can go through their description and understand the product, how they use it, how this useful, and everything you need to know about that product. Now again, what you have to do once you find the product, you need to use these two tools. First one is Google keyword planner, which gonna give you the number of searches every single month. That you can see for the skipping rope, that you can see around 10,000 to 100,000 searches every single month. So this competition high, but we don't have to worry about that. You can see there's people are searching for it every single month. Again, if you go to this tools called keywordtool.io, and if you put that keyword search term and select Amazon, and you can see here if you had upgraded for to know about these values, but here you can see these are the keyword people are searching on Amazon. So you can see I put this one called skipping rope. Here you can see they are the front part, you can see other keyword they associate with. Skipping rope for exercise, for women, adjustable length, resistant band. So there's a people searching that same product or similar product for different reasons on Amazon. So you know people are searching for every single month, so you can create content for it. The problem with coming with that content, like I said in my in the previous like I said before, that you need to target a long tail keyword in order to promote that. So you can't just go to Amazon, find this product, and you can do the you do the review, but lots of other websites already doing the review, so you can't compete with them. So instead, what you're gonna do, you're gonna find the problem and you're gonna solve that by creating value, giving out content, and you can promote this product. That's why I recommend this website is called Answer the Public. Here I'm gonna put this my keywords skipping, and these are the question people are asking about that keyword. So you can see why, when, who, how, can. So if you go why, and you can say why skipping is good, people are asking that online. This Answer the Public website is not free, it's paid version, but every single day they give you 2 searches for free. So use it carefully, use the keyword and find those questions. You can download this entire search result here for free. And you know, so I find that long tail keyword, which is why skipping is good. Now I had to find it articles or find out that people are searching this keyword key term, the long tail keyword term online. So for example, if I put that on Google, and you can see why skipping is good, around 70 searches per month, and you can see different articles are getting views, guys. You can see 12 reasons to do skipping rope workout. And you can see this article published in 2020 August. Grab a rope, 7 reasons why skipping is good for you. So people are writing articles and is ranking on Google. And if you go to again keyword planner and put that same thing, why skipping is good, you can see around 480 to 300 searches every single month. You're getting around 100 to 1,000 searches every single month, and the competition is low. So you can create content for this long tail keyword and you can promote it. Now how you can create the content, you don't have to buy this skipping rope, you don't have to use it. You can again go to Google and find this article, open up, summarize it, and you can write a content article for this keyword term, and you're going to promote your affiliate offers. Again, if you go to Answer the Public, these are all the questions people are asking about. So these are the lots of content idea for you. If you can able to pick say for example 50 of these titles and make 50 articles and promote various of skipping rope from Amazon, when these articles started ranking on Google or other places, and when they click and buy it, you're gonna make a passive income throughout the year, guys. So I'm gonna now walk you through the websites where you can post this content for free and generate organic traffic, and the ways that you can do it. The first thing, I always go with this website called Medium. If you can't afford to create your website or buy domain and hosting, Medium is good place, because this website is generating over 220 million views every single month. And you can see people are writing why skipping is good for you. That is a key term here, why skipping is good. And if you go down bottom, you can see here are 2 times when skipping is exercise is good for you. So there's a less articles, 50 people already watched these articles. Like I said, guys, you can see this person posted in 2020 November, so you can post the article in here, put your affiliate link for free, with you don't have to pay for domain or hosting here, guys. Post the articles on here for free. The second is always, I said, copy and paste the same articles into Google site. I'm going to show you why. There's a real reason. When your site is started to index on Google, and Google is trying to promote your site at the same time. Second, your Google site become add like your landing page. If you are promoting your content in a certain website, they are not allowing you to put your affiliate link, so you can drive traffic to your Google site. From that, you can drive traffic back to Amazon, guys. So when you post the same articles on Medium, copy and paste the same article on Google site to build your site around that specific niche on Google site, guys. And again, go to Quora. You can see what are the benefits of skipping a rope. You can see these are the people asking questions. You answer the question, put your affiliate link inside. Again, if they buy the rope, so you can answer the question, and in the bottom you can say these are the top 10 skipping rope. Right, so you make that same article on Medium, top 10 skipping rope, and put the affiliate link for that. So from Quora, you can drive traffic to Medium or Google site. From that, you can drive traffic to Amazon, because inside the Quora you can't put the entire affiliate link, because Quora will block if you put too much affiliate link inside the answer, guys. So these are one of the way. Other way is Pinterest. Again, with the Pinterest, what you can do, go to Amazon, download this picture, or if it's some of the skipping rope or some of the listing has the videos, download those videos. These are around 1 minute long, upload it on Pinterest, and you direct link back to Amazon. You have to put the title, description, and hashtag, and you can say go to Amazon listing. If you have to register with Amazon associate account or affiliate account, you're able to get this affiliate link, get text, and click, copy and paste this link, and direct link from Pinterest to Amazon. So whenever people click your Pinterest pin, and it will automatically redirect into Amazon. You can see this person redirect here. There is a different website they are promoting from. You can see this person is promoting this from Sports Direct. So you can do the same with Amazon. You can post Amazon affiliate link without any issue in Pinterest. And other ways, you can use YouTube in two different ways. One, you can use as a fact video, which I'm doing with other channels. You can say here, this person is doing that benefit of jump rope exercise or skipping, and you can see there's no voice, only pictures and the text, and you can see 1.9 million views, guys. Here you can, in the description, you can put top 10 skipping rope in the description, so the people can go and click and buy it. So you can do it this way. So where you can get the content, again, go to Google and search for the niche. For example, skipping mean the benefit of skipping. Find these articles, turn them into text. You can use text to speech tools if you want to add voiceover. Then you can go to website like Pixels to find these royalty free videos on skipping, and combine together make this kind of video. Also, you can make other kind of videos called top 10 videos. You can see this person did top 5 skipping rope, and this person made that video in 2020, around 50k views, guys. Again, you can get this video from Amazon itself. You can get inside the listing, they have the videos. If you're able to install this Google Chrome extension called Flash Video Downloader, you can download this video for free without any issue, guys. And you can find a way I'm promoting is Facebook pages and group. What you can do, you create a specific page and group according to niche. In this case, skipping main. Don't just go with fitness, go with skipping. Then post your contents, like you can post these videos and pictures on that regularly, and also you post the same video you upload on Facebook. Also the same article that you can upload it on Medium or Google site, upload it here, link back to your website and Medium post. You can try organic traffic. Also, you can join with this fitness page, and you can promote your content from your page on here, traffic to your own page and group. From that, you can drive your traffic to your affiliate link, guys. So there's a couple of ways that you can do it other than this for free. So if you are starting up new, you're a complete beginner in affiliate marketing, so I recommend go with Amazon, which is easy and free to join, and you can use these tools to promote it for free, and you can start to make money from it, guys. This is one of the best way to make passive income in 2021. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave a like, share and comment, and in the comment section write I like this video, or leave a comment if you want to make a specific video on certain topic, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.